so hopefully you can see where I'm going with this. These pieces are going to be somewhat mirrored to each other. And so, it's going to really present an interesting bandsaw box, to say the least. And remember, the pieces don't have to be perfect. Matter of fact, imperfect is better than perfect. Because, again, you're going to look at your glued up wood and those pieces will speak to you. So I could make a bandsaw box out of this shape here. It's going to be very, very, very interesting. Or I can turn it around like this. Wouldn't that present a very interesting bandsaw box? Okay, so most of your deeper drawers are going to be here, and this is quite thick, by the way. I just don't know. I think I'm more inclined to put them in this way, glue them up like this. All right, so that's that. So we still have a little bit of this table left, for which I can cut up into some pieces. And just gonna eyeball it, really. Okay. And obviously I could probably join it up. Put this guy in the middle or in the back of the box when I join this up. So, all right, let's finish this project of cutting up the pieces of wood I found around my shop. Not everybody will provide a lightning storm in their basement. Okay, my friends, we definitely have some interesting pieces of wood. Let's see what you can see. Let's take you over here. Well, I'll take you out the stand in a minute. Or I'll drop the phone like that. Let's see if I still have a phone.